Hello. We have come to a very important part, or another very important part of this mentorship and masterclass. You know that there's a beautiful, sweet, adorable mother who wants to see all of us grow and hopefully become like her or even more, right? And so because of that, she's put together this masterclass. Please, in all humility, I'm going to ask all of us to be upstanding. We welcome Her Royal Highness Lady Julia Osei, the patron for Opemsuo Foundation, while she gives us her closing remarks.
Please be seated. Opemsuo Hiahene, Chair of the Opemsuo Osei Tutu II Charity Foundation, our gracious hostess or host, Professor Dixon, our esteemed panelists, Nananum, distinguished invited guests, and our beautiful young ladies, and I can see a few young men in there. Thank you for joining us all this afternoon. This has truly been a masterclass. I know I've learned a lot. I'm sure all of you have too. And I want to thank our panelists for this very exciting. For this very exciting talk today. It's been excellent.
Please, maybe you can.
I'd like to add a little twist to our usual adage, not trying to belittle it, but I think that to every great woman, there's another great woman behind her. It's very important that we mentor our young girls, that we hold their hands and bring them up with us as we are climbing the ladders. So today has been very exciting for me, and I'm glad we've had this opportunity to come together and sit down and talk. I hope our young ladies will not end the conversation here. Please carry it back to your schools with you. Have discussions and support yourselves. From what we learned today, I think that the only person preventing us from reaching our maximum potential is ourselves. The only person who can prevent you from reaching your goals is you. So let's be intentional about how we go about our lives and put the work in. As Prof said, if we sit on TikTok half the day and we don't put the work in, don't expect to get that somebody who learned and did everything that she needed to do got. And when the UST admissions come, there'll be a lot of crying. But I know that if you do well and learn hard, success will be yours, and there will be no stopping. I'd like to leave you with give you a little reminder that life, as they say, is like a blank canvas. It's blank, nothing on it. It's up to you and the decisions you make that will bring out a beautiful painting or an ugly one. So please, as young ladies, decide where you want to go. Cut out your career path. Tell yourself this is what you want to do. And put in the work. And success will be yours. Thank you so much for coming and making this a beautiful day. And I wish you all a very happy International Women's Day tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Her Royal Highness Lady Julia Osei Tutu.